Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2, and I still think there is a very good likelihood it's going to go down for a C or possibly even a wave 3. Probably more likely a wave C, though, in my opinion. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do believe that this right here is very likely a wave 1. I still think this is very likely a wave 2. I think there's a very likely chance this is going to go down and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C to form that wave pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time, or the daily time frame that is, we do definitely have a little 1, 2, 3 pattern going on right here, so we do have to be aware there's always a chance that it could continue the uptrend. It definitely does have that ABC shape to it for sure. Now looking at other dollar pairs, most other dollar pairs don't look like that. Most dollar pairs look to me like they need to keep on trending. So I'm definitely leaning towards the fact that this is more likely just going to keep on trending down. This is a wave 2, this is a wave 1, and that this is going to go down for a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Like I said, we do have to be aware that there's always a chance this could keep going up because it definitely is 3 waves down. But based on correlated dollar pairs especially, I think there's a pretty good chance this move up is a correction, and I think there's a better chance this will keep on trending down. So I am definitely looking for sorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's already a 3-way pattern. I think this first push up is likely to wave A. I think this right here is likely to wave B. I think this right here is likely to wave C, and I think this is likely to just keep on trending down. Most likely gonna just make like a 1, a 2, and then just keep on going down for a wave 3. So I definitely would be looking for sorts. We do have to be aware that this could be a wave C and it could just keep on trending up, but I think for now we should be looking for sorts in a downtrend for sure. I think it is more likely that it will go down and make a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I take with the group at the time of entry, or I share with the group, by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.